Fresh out of college, you know, I'm ready to tackle on the world, ready to prove myself. I work as an administrative assistant and I make $17 an hour. Fast forward 2 weeks later, I didn't have a job. I couldn't pay my rent, so I had to move out. I packed up my 2002 Audi TT and I drove from Park City, Utah down to Beverly Hills, California. I'd walk around Beverly Hills for 12 hours just filming cars. So car spotting is the act of, you know, finding random cool cars, and in my case, filming them and posting it up to my YouTube channel. I have no money. I have less than $1,000 in my bank account. I met a guy named Nick. Nick gave me a job. There was a list of goals and expectations that if I met in 6 months' time, I'd get a raise to $50,000 a year. I met the expectations. $50,000 a year, I was rolling. But that YouTube dream, like, I couldn't stuff it. I wanted it so bad. Sometimes in life, when everyone's telling you that you can't do it, go prove them wrong. Go prove them wrong. Go prove them wrong.
So right now I'm actually walking through the same streets in Beverly Hills that the Stradman used to walk, just to come here and start looking for supercars and hypercars. The guy actually came here and was walking around these streets for about 8 to 10 hours every day. Of course, I'm not gonna do that today. I'm only gonna be doing, I don't know, maybe an hour, 2 hours maybe. And I'm already seeing a lot of supercars here, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. So I mean, let's see what we find out today. And we're heading towards Rodeo Drive, that just down the road here. So I know that I'm in the right place because I used to actually watch the Stradman's videos when he first started, and I can recognize this right away. You can actually see in his videos where all the trees are, just this area right here. And of course, the guy was lucky enough to spot Bugattis and, you know, hypercars. I actually never seen a hypercar while it's moving. I actually just seen them park. I've seen a McLaren P1 and a Bugatti Veyron, but I mean, I can't even imagine how it must be to see a Bugatti just driving down the road. Chequense lo que tenemos parqueado aquí, el McLaren MP412C con el motor 3.8 Twin Turbo V8 produciendo 600 caballitos de fuerza. Chequense qué hermoso está, cabrón, y viene de Ohio. No es ni de aquí de California. It's actually coming from Ohio. And we got a Merc AMG GTS. So it's actually a pretty hot day today, and you know, today in the morning I actually was driving the Ferrari California, the twin turbo V8. Today here we are in Beverly Hills. Again, I can already imagine, you know, what the Stradman was feeling when he was just literally walking by himself here and just spending hours and hours just walking through Rodeo Drive and, you know, trying to find supercars and hypercars. Like, it must have been exhausting and tiring. What's up? I like your car. Thank you. Manual. Yeah. Heck yeah. Rev it a little bit. Oh dude, look at that. Allá tenemos el Cayman GT4, but right here we have actually one of the fastest, actually I think it's the fastest naturally aspirated car to ever cross the Nürburgring in Germany, and that's gonna be the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Just take a look at this piece of art. So we're talking about a 6.5 liter V12 naturally aspirated SVJ. The initials of SVJ, that means Super Veloce Jota. I don't know what the Jota means, but I know that it's Super Veloce. Just look at this interior, dude. Look at the seats. Damn. Oh, I can already imagine what it feels like to drive this. So we're talking about 770 horsepower out of this beast. All-wheel drive carbon fiber right here. We're gonna move out of the road because there's some cars coming. But just take a look at this. Damn. We got a Urus coming on the scene right there. There's Uruses here everywhere. They're like the Honda Civics of my town. I mean, they're literally everywhere. They're nice cars, of course, but I mean, I see a Urus in every corner on the street here. We got a Maserati Ghibli. The Ghibli. Love that car, the design of it. We got another Maserati coming down the road. Look at that beauty right there. Oh, that blue looks amazing. So the last time that I was here in Beverly Hills, it was actually cloudy and cold. I was actually wearing a jacket. And now it's very hot. It's actually 86 degrees. It's a nice day, I'm not gonna lie. And we're getting to see a couple of nice cars, but not as many as the last time. So, I mean, we're just starting the day. Hopefully we get lucky and, you know, start seeing some cool cars. Look at that beauty right there. That's a 1969 Charger. I mean, I'm guessing it's a 69. Oh, chéquense eso. Tenemos al Shelby GT 500 5.2 liter V8. And of course, it's being blocked by all these cars. Yeah, of course. We got something loud coming. I don't know what it is yet, but it is pretty loud. It's pretty loud. Oh yeah, we got an Aventador naturally aspirated V12. I can actually see why someone like the Stradman would choose a location like this. I mean, there's nice cars everywhere, but I still haven't seen a hypercar. It's been 2 times that I've been here to California and I still haven't seen a hypercar on movement. Damn, you can actually hear the supercars just driving around all over the place here. We're about to reach our destination. We're actually headed to the car. Look at all these people. I just want to show you guys. Look at all the people making a line to go to Dior or Dyer. I don't even know how you say that brand. I mean, there's a lot of like securities out the door. I don't know if you're supposed to like make a reservation to go into places like that, like expensive places, where some people are actually being turned away. Look at this, we got a McLaren, the 570S 3.8 twin turbo. Look at this beauty right here. And well, I think this is where we officially end today's video, today's vlog, and actually this whole trip. I'm actually very tired. It's time to go back to the hotel. I've had a lot of fun here in the past 5 days that we've been in California. I've had a lot of fun, but I'm extremely tired. I'm ready to go home. But anyway, I really hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video here in Gran Turismo. Yeah!